Greetings and welcome to Top 5 Sites, your go-to channel for all things travel and adventure. I'm your host, Karam. Our mission here is to guide you through the world's most captivating locations, highlighting the top 5 must-see spots in each. Today, we're setting our compass towards the vibrant and bustling city of Bangkok, Thailand. So pack your bags, buckle up and join us as we explore the top 5 travel sites in the heart of the land of smiles. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the majestic Wat Arun. Known as the Temple of Dawn, Wat Arun is a sight to behold. This awe-inspiring architectural marvel stands tall and proud against the Bangkok sky, drawing in visitors from all corners of the globe with its unique beauty and spiritual significance. What sets Wat Arun apart from other temples in Bangkok is its distinctive design. The temple's central tower, or prang, is a colossal stupa-like structure encrusted with vibrant porcelain, which glows brilliantly in the sunrise. But it's not just the sunrise that makes this place special. As the day progresses, the temple transforms, reflecting the changing colors of the sky, making every visit a unique experience. Historically, Wat Arun has been a significant landmark for centuries. It was once the royal temple of King Taksin, a revered figure in Thai history. He arrived at this location after a great battle, just as dawn was breaking, hence the temple's name, Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. The temple's location also adds to its allure. Nestled on the banks of the Chao Phraya River, Wat Arun offers breathtaking views of the river and the city. A visit here is not just about exploring the temple. It's also about soaking in the serene riverside atmosphere, watching the boats glide by and experiencing the rhythm of life in Bangkok. Wat Arun is not just a temple but a symbol of the city's rich history and cultural heritage. It's a place where the past and present coexist, where the hustle and bustle of the city meets the tranquility of spiritual reflection. So whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a history buff, or just someone looking for a moment of peace amid the city's chaos, Wat Arun has something for everyone. It's a place that captivates, inspires, and leaves you with a sense of awe and appreciation for the beauty and complexity of Thai culture. So, for a taste of history and a dash of architectural beauty, Wat Arun is certainly a sight not to miss. Moving on, we land at number 4 on our countdown, the vibrant Chatuchak Weekend Market. This bustling hub of commerce and culture is a must-visit spot in Bangkok, with a footprint that sprawls over 35 acres. That's right, folks, this is not your average flea market. It's one of the world's largest weekend markets, boasting over 15,000 stalls. Chatuchak is a veritable treasure trove of goods. From vintage clothing and unique handicrafts to exotic plants and antique furniture, there's something for everyone here. You'll even find a variety of pets for sale, from the ordinary to the downright exotic. But the heart of the market, arguably, lies in its food stalls. The tantalizing aroma of Thai street food wafts through the air, drawing you towards an array of dishes that will delight your taste buds. You haven't truly experienced Thailand until you've sampled the delights of Chatuchak's food stalls. But it's not just about the shopping or the food. Chatuchak is also a kaleidoscope of culture and experiences. As you navigate the labyrinthine alleys, you'll encounter street performers, live music, and even art galleries. It's the sort of place where you can lose yourself for hours, exploring, bargaining, tasting, and simply soaking in the atmosphere. Chatuchak's popularity is well-deserved. On any given weekend, you'll find a bustling crowd of locals and tourists alike, all drawn in by the market's unique charm. It's the sort of place that seems to embody the spirit of Bangkok, vibrant, diverse, and full of life. So whether you're a die-hard bargain hunter, a foodie in search of the next delicious bite, or simply a curious traveler looking to experience the pulse of Bangkok, Chatuchak Weekend Market has got you covered. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the local culture, find unique souvenirs, and create memories that will last a lifetime. If you're a shopaholic or a food lover, then Chatuchak Weekend Market is your paradise. At number 3, we have the iconic Grand Palace. The Grand Palace is a gem that radiates the glory of Thailand's rich history and the grandeur of its architecture. It's not merely a palace, it's a city within a city, a testament to the country's artistic and cultural evolution. Established in the late 18th century by King Rama I, it's been the royal residence for generations, each leaving their own distinct mark. The palace's architecture is a dazzling display of intricate details, where every wall, every pillar, every roof is a canvas telling a story. The Thai architectural style, with its steeply curved roofs, ornate spires, and vibrant colors, creates a breathtaking spectacle. The palace buildings are adorned with gold leaf, reflecting the sun's rays and making the entire complex shimmer in the daylight. But it's not just the exterior that's impressive. The interiors of the palace buildings are equally stunning, with walls adorned with murals depicting scenes from Thai mythology and history. The attention to detail is striking, with every inch of space utilized to create a masterpiece of art. The Grand Palace is also home to the sacred Emerald Buddha, a highly revered artifact in Thai culture. Housed in the Wat Phra Kaew Temple, this small yet significant statue is an embodiment of the Thai people's devotion and faith. The palace's significance goes beyond its physical beauty and historical value. It's a symbol of Thai royalty, a beacon of the country's cultural identity, and a source of national pride. It's a place where history is not just remembered but lived, where the past meets the present in a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity. Today, the Grand Palace continues to be a site of important religious and royal ceremonies, further cementing its place in the heart of every Thai citizen. Visitors from around the globe are drawn to its majesty, eager to experience a piece of Thailand's royal heritage. For a royal experience and a glimpse into Thailand's rich history, make sure to visit the Grand Palace. Our second pick is none other than the lively Khao San Road. Immerse yourself in Bangkok's pulsating energy as we journey to Khao San Road. This bustling street is the heart of the city, brimming with a unique mix of cultures and experiences that truly encapsulate the spirit of adventure. Known for its thriving nightlife, Khao San Road transforms as the sun sets. Neon signs flicker alive, music pulses from trendy bars and clubs, and the street becomes a bustling party hub. Here you can dance the night away, meet fellow travelers, or simply enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. It's a place where stories are made, shared, and remembered. But Khao San Road isn't just about the parties. It's also a food lover's paradise. From tantalizing Thai dishes to international cuisine, the variety of street food available is astounding. Savor the flavors of pad Thai cooked right before your eyes, indulge in crispy spring rolls, or if you're feeling adventurous, why not try some of the local delicacies? The aromas wafting from the food stalls are irresistible, and the taste unforgettable. And let's not forget about the shopping. With vendors selling everything from handmade jewelry to vintage clothing, Khao San Road is a treasure trove for those who love to hunt for unique finds. Don't hesitate to haggle, it's part of the fun. The vibrant atmosphere that envelops Khao San Road is infectious. The street is a living, breathing entity, a melting pot of experiences and emotions. It's a place where you can lose yourself, and yet find a piece of yourself at the same time. In the midst of the city's hustle and bustle, Khao San Road stands as a testament to Bangkok's unyielding spirit and charm. It's a place where you can experience the city's pulse, its life, its soul. For an unforgettable night of fun and excitement, Khao San Road is the place to be. So come, join the party, and make memories that will last a lifetime. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the magnificent Wat Phra Kaew. Known as the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, this sacred space holds a special place in the heart of Thai culture. It's not just a temple, it's a symbol of national identity, a testament to the spiritual devotion of the Thai people. Bearing witness to its architectural grandeur is like stepping into a beautifully crafted storybook. Each intricate detail, every ornate carving, tells a tale of religious myth, historical narrative, and the skilled craftsmanship of the Thai artisans who created this masterpiece. Its gold-laden structures shimmer under the Bangkok sun, leaving a lasting impression on those who visit. But the true heart of Wat Phra Kaew lies in its namesake, the Emerald Buddha. Carved from a single block of jade, this revered statue is the epitome of spiritual significance in Thailand. Its emerald glow is said to bring prosperity and protection to the kingdom. Situated within the Grand Palace complex, this temple is not just a site, it's a journey into the rich tapestry of Thai culture. It's an experience that transcends sightseeing, taking you on a voyage through time and tradition. For a truly Thai experience filled with culture and beauty, Wat Phra Kaew is a must-visit. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 travel sites in Bangkok, Thailand. From the serene Water Rune to the vibrant Chatuchak Market, the majestic Grand Palace, lively Khao San Road, and the sacred Wat Phra Kaew. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more adventure, exploration, and travel tips. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found this content useful, as it really helps the channel. Until next time, be safe and kind to one another.